Buongiorno! Welcome to my Pronounce the World channel where we learn together how to say useful words from around the globe to make our lives more fun, more interesting and easier. And here we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this meat-based sauce, typical classic of Italian cuisine. It is of course typical of the city of Bologna. It is named after. How do you go about pronouncing it? Well, it is usually said, as you know, in English as Bolognese sauce, but this is not at all how it is to be pronounced in Italian. In Italian, in Italy, it is usually said as Bolognese, 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 Bolognese sauce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many useful words from all around the world. Feel free to browse around the channel and find out more useful words that you can once and for all nail the pronunciation of. I will most definitely see you there. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.